Hello everybody and welcome back to Yelan app. In this video, I'm going to show you a potential step-by-step guide on exactly how to fix not being able to create an account on the T dating app. So if this is something that you want to be able to do, well then this video is going to be perfect for you. So is this a guaranteed way for it to work? Unfortunately not, but what you can try to do to be able to actually fix this issue is to firstly close your T app. And instead, we're going to go into the settings app on our phone. So just open up your settings app. And as you can see, you should now be taken to this page, which is perfect. So on this page, we're just going to scroll down and then click on general in here. So click on general. And as you can see, it should now take us to this page, which is great. So on this page, just scroll down and click on storage in here. And then we're just going to simply wait a couple of seconds for this page to completely load all of the apps that we currently have on our phone. Then we're going to swipe up until you can see the search bar up top. So click on search for T in here as you can see, and then just click on the T app. And now you're just going to click on offload app and once again click on offload app. We're just going to wait a couple of seconds in here now and then click on the reinstall app button as you can see. Now what you're going to do, and sometimes by the way you have to click on it 2 times for some reason, so I'm just going to go back and click on it again just to force it to update. So yeah, as you can see, it says loading now for me. So what you have to do now is to actually wait for it to completely update to its latest version. And when it's done, just go back into the T app and try once again to create an account, and hopefully now it's going to be fixed for you as well.